Hello, Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy. Happy 2022. I hope you're having a wonderful beginning of the year. Hopefully you have not got the bug that's going around, the COVID bug. And if you have, I hope you've gotten through it okay. And if not, stay away from it because it's really bad. So sellers, listings are at record lows. Even from last year, when we're looking at last year to this year, the housing inventory is lower than it was last year, specifically in California. If you look, everything I talk about specifically is going to be focused back over to California. It's because it's where I am. But specifically California, across the nation, the inventory is still lower. Specifically in California, we're down 27.8% lower than we were last year. And that's saying something because last year it was already pretty painful. Not to mention that going into the new year, the holiday home showing was actually higher. And so it was higher than it typically is. It was 3% higher on the West Coast, Silicon Valley specifically. I think we were actually probably a higher than that for sure. And probably carried a lot of California, quite frankly. But when you're looking at this together and the fact that the days on market, this is from 2021, specifically for Santa Clara and San Mateo counties in the heart of the Silicon Valley, you're looking at in January. So what you're looking at here is the price to list ratio, which is going to be here in the middle, and then the days on market average, which is on the side. So if you look at January 2021, the days on average was 28 days. Now this is actually taking all residential. So this is taking single family condominium townhouses as well. And so if you look at that, it's January 2021, 28 days, 103% above listing price, above asking price. And then if you look at December, 20 days, 108.6, almost 109% above ask price. And so then we look at the months of inventory on average as well. So this is nationwide. So nationwide, 2.1 months of inventory nationwide. So remember, months of inventory means that if the inventory were to stop right now, that's how long it takes to eat it up. Again, Silicon Valley, God bless us, we have 0.4 months of inventory available. So again, if you look at this from 2021 all the way down to December of 2021, January 2021 to December of 2021, every single month has dropped. And again, very, very similar to how it was before. So this year's even tighter. Listen, if you've ever thought about selling before, now is a wonderful time to sell. Give me a call if you have any questions at all. Phone number is 408-393-9294. I'm here and happy to help. If you've thought about selling, now is a wonderful time. And if you want to have thought about selling and buying up, I've got wonderful strategies for that as well. Give me a call, 408-393-9294.